Hi all, good evening. Today we are going to see a concept called higher order function in Scala. Okay, what is higher order function? In many languages, in all the languages, we can able to write a functions to execute our logics. But simply the higher order function is we can able to pass that another function into one function into another one function as a parameter. That is called higher order function. That's what you mentioned here. A higher order function takes other function as a parameter or returns a function as a result. Again, I'm telling you, it's simply we are passing the one function into another function as a parameter. It's called higher order function. The very good example in Spark Scala is the map function. Map is already a function. Whatever logic we are executing, we are passing the logic inside that one. But we can able to define the logic into another function, and we can pass that logic defined function into the parameter for this map function. So it is one of the good example of higher order function. So we are going to see that one in the Spark shell, how it is executed. The higher order function is implemented. It's many ways to implement it, but we are going to see the one way, which is passing the value or one method to another method using the map. Okay, let's go for the Spark shell. I already have the Spark shell in the Windows environment. So I should come up with the command in the command mode with the run as an administrator. Yes. As I open it, and I'm going to open the Spark shell. Already I installed the Spark environment for the 2.4.7 environment. So in the Spark shell already, in the Spark shell we defaultly have the Spark context now, right? So no need to worry for that Spark context now. But anyway, we are going to see a simple example for the higher order function. See here. So I am just going to define a list of variables. List, okay. We all know the collection. The collection, there is a list collection. So I'm just defining a list collection, just a simple values, and we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. See here. So I define it. So it's a list of integer, and I'm going to define a method because we are going to see example as a passing a function into another function. So I'm going to define a function here. The function name I'm defining as a double value because we are going to double the each value in the list. Okay, that means 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3. That means output should be 1, 4, 9. Okay, so double value, I'm defining another variable, just a function. So the input is x, which is the integer data type. We should give a capital I for the integer, otherwise it will throw the error. X into x, that means multiplication of one variable into with the same variable. Okay, so I define a function here. Now I'm going to define another variable called double list. So here's the very important thing. But here we are going to implement the higher order function using the map method. So map function is the already existing function in the Spark Scala. So now see that I am just passing each value of x because we are having a list. For list only we put the map method. So x, so list already we have here. We already defined the list. The list is having 1, 2, 3. So the list variable dot map of, so map is our different function. So in this method, I am going to pass another method, that is double value method, as a parameter. So we are going to pass this value into this variable. Now we are going to enter here. Here's the implementation of higher order function. See here, double value already for function defined. We are passing the double value function as a parameter for map method, map function. Okay, map function. So this is called higher order function. Okay, yeah, for higher order function one function should be a parameter for another one function. That is called the higher order function. So I defined one function here and passing that function into the another function, another function called map function. So and see the output. We define that x into x is the logic. That is multiplication of the same value with the particular value. So 1 is the in the list we already have 1. So it is a 1 only. So 1 into 1, anything is 1. Okay. And 2. 2 into 2 is 4. And 3. 3 into 3 is the 9. So this is the output. So here we no need to worry about the output and all. Here we have to understand this concept. So we are passing this method, higher order method, map method, by the passing the double value method. Okay. So this is called a higher order function. That's all, my guys. This is the, hope you understand the higher order function. If any queries or any doubts or any clarifications or any improvement sessions, please put up in the comment section. We'll do the improvements, and if any area you want to know, please let us know. We will do a video on that one, and we'll post it here in the Prabakaran YouTube channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your support. Thank you all.